On this episode of Holy Shit, That's Nature, presented by Bum Rappin' Rock, we're checking out the blue pecker. Two peckers hover over the nuts at the same time. Holy shit, folks, this is nature. One more time for this fella. He can't get enough of these nuts. Look at this blue pecker. Oh, he's a pretty bad. I notice some, when I say blue pecker, they think Smurf penis, but you'd be absolutely right on this one. We may have to wash them, since he so far hasn't wanted to put our balls in his mouth. And as you can see now, we have the almonds by the balls. We clearly see a furtail sniffing around the nutsack. We see one furtail out. There are two others. They are near closing in. They all go nuttier than squirrel shit for these nuts. Like most furtails with a long history of eating nuts, after all the time spent with the pecker, the furtail still has to take the walk of shame. This is a very rare appearance indeed. Usually a nocturnal creature. Sometimes it comes out in the daytime and search for food, but you gotta sneak up on him careful like you're a strike and bite you and you'll die. It's a fierce predator, this one.
We saw a red-headed woodpecker.
This yellow pecker's beautiful, isn't he? Look at him. Oh, he lands on a branch. We hope you enjoyed this presentation of Holy Shit, That's Nature, presented by Bum Rappin' Rock. While we checked out the furtails, the blue peckers, you saw our balls. It was amazing. Next time, the South American saber-toothed man-eating cricket. Holy shit, folks. That's nature.